just finished uninstalling 23 solar panels. Not installing solar, but uninstalling solar panels. This customer had our local alarm company come in and install 23 wonderful solar panels on their house when they needed a re-roof. When you put these flashings in, lift up the shingles carefully or just rip them up, and see wherever they did flashings, the shingles are ripped up. Nails.
Hey,
you know,
break
up.
my roof.
Yeah. Just completely tore it apart.
You've left this exposed, so water's just gonna go do in there, and now it's like in your roof.
I wonder if they did stuff like this, like added in all those.
They knew it was gonna leak.
They knew it was gonna leak, so they just kind of repaired a few things. So it's like you're taking an old roof, you're cutting the shingles to put your flashings in there, and then you're adding more flashings, hoping that all the damage that you did gets compensated for. Gotta check out this south face over here. You can see that it almost looks like it was spray painted. Checking out the wire management underneath the array. You basically have a zip tie in the top right corner.
Lame.
Lift them up, you can kind of see what they're doing. All of the wires across in just a big old twisted rat's nest.
And then your tape falls apart. This is MC, type MC. You can see
It's
it.
MC.
It's white, they
So
taped it red.
So roofers came out, put a brand new roof on the house, did a full removal and a installation of the new roof. Come take a look at what we have here. But we're reinstalling the old racking. We're doing a lot better job of getting it flashed. We're able to get the spacing between our attachments the right with the adjustments that we didn't have to cut any of the shingles. So we have our spacing and everything done well. Getting ready to do our flashings over here. Flashed, tar. Place this on here. We pre-drilled the lag. Go ahead and throw this in. Go, all set. Pretty simple. Gonna finish up this array, that one, and we'll give you a look here. What are you doing?
Just cleaning up some sloppy panels. When we reinstall your Vivint high-end system.
Yeah, your high-end Vivint system.